Cuisinart has combined the desire for an at-home espresso brewing system and the love for espresso with the espresso-defined espresso machine. This professional quality espresso machine will become the centerpiece of your kitchen. Create single or double espresso in a matter of minutes. The espresso-defined espresso maker is fully programmable with a digital LCD screen, 19 bars of pressure. This unit produces a smooth, rich, and intense flavor in every cup. Preset and menu options let users adjust espresso volume, brew temperature, and standby time. The automatic capsule disposal system ejects used capsules right into an internal waste bin for little to no cleanup. Espresso Defined comes equipped with a removable 24-ounce water reservoir for up to 16 single espressos and a removable drip tray to insert taller mugs when needed. The Espresso Defined is compatible with Nespresso OriginalLine capsules. From start to finish, it couldn't be easier to make delicious espresso by bringing the coffee shop into your home with the Cuisinart Espresso Defined.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.